All right, everyone, quick video for you. 2015 Chevy Tahoe LT, traded in by one of my customers. Really nice looking Tahoe. It's got a little bit of rust if you open up the doors, but nothing major that's gonna keep it from driving well. A little bit on the other side as well. Exterior's in good shape. Got a tow package as well. A little bit of room behind the third row. Of course, you can fold that row down for additional storage. And then when you open up here, see a little more rust down there, but it's really not gonna keep it from driving well. Previous owners took good care of it overall. Replaced the transmission, replaced the engine. We have documentation for both. Check in the description for the full details of that. But we have this price to sell. Haven't even cleaned it up yet, but showing it because it's probably gonna sell quick. So if you're okay with giving us a little bit of time to clean it up after you buy it, and it's gonna be a huge blessing for somebody who needs to seat up to 8. Show you the back third row real quick. Obviously you might not fit 3 grown adults in there, but there's room for 3 in the second and third rows. Seats are in good shape, leather all around, power seats, so you can kind of control depth and the seat tilt and all of that. We are looking at 198,647 on the odometer. There you go. Drives well. They drove it up from Tennessee a few hours. No problem at all. Kenwood aftermarket. Radio here. It's even got a backup camera. It's really nice. I don't know about y'all, but I'm struggling to park with that one these days. But all in all, a really nice looking Tahoe. Like I said, drives well, drives smooth all over town. Sharp looking as well for a 2015. Check the description below if you're interested. Shoot me a text, give me a shout. I'd love to help you out if your family's in the market for a vehicle like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching and hope to talk to some of y'all soon. Thanks.